Welcome to Bedrock Motors, the Upper Midwest's largest auto wholesaler. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles in our inventory, and comes equipped with standard suspension, chrome bumpers, electronic stability control, rear seat center armrest, 6-speaker audio system, air conditioning, traction control, 4.1 rear axle ratio, side airbags, cruise control, and has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Since 1975, Bedrock Motors has been providing top-notch customer service and high-quality vehicles to our friends and neighbors here in the Twin Cities northern suburbs. We specialize in lifted trucks and Jeeps, and we ship inventory from all over the country. We pride ourselves on having the best pre-owned vehicles on the market and are happy to offer quality vehicles at an affordable price. So come see us at Bedrock Motors today.